Hey everyone, I'm Whitney and this is my YouTube channel. Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a simple eyeshadow look using the Kylie Cosmetics Sorta Sweet palette. Yes, that's the name of it. Sorta Sweet. Okay. So let's get started. Got the names on the back of the palette. We're taking our Sigma E35 and going into the shade Buttermilk. So we are going to just kind of apply that actually all over our lid. Dip back in as many times as you want. And you guys, I didn't prime my eyes. I just had a little bit of concealer.
Yeah, I've been waiting to tell you how much I miss the way you turn me on. Yeah, oh, it's been playing on my mind and my emotions now for far too long. Yeah, said we shouldn't go there. It's time to move on. Let's do this.
Just going to add a little bit more to this other side. I just kind of want this to be our base. Up on the brow, just a bit. Yeah, there we go. Okay.
I know I tend to overcomplicate, but this time I know we belong.
A little bit more on this side. Kylie shadows, they are very sheer. You have to build them up quite a bit. This palette, obviously it's a very toned down palette. It's more of like a nude kind of vibe going on, so obviously it shouldn't be as like bam in your face. So we're still taking our Sigma E35 and we're going into the shade Cookie Dough. We're just gonna apply this to our crease.
So won't you just love me like you used to love me? Or won't you just touch me like you used to?
Still using our Sigma E35, we're going into the shade Berry Bite. Have you guys ever had a berry bite? I don't think I have. I'm not sure exactly what they are. We are going to apply this to our crease and kind of focus on that outer corner. Just kind of bring some of that berry color down here. This was the first Kylie Cosmetics eyeshadow palette that I bought. And I actually bought it because I was like, well, it was on sale. And I got the lip trios that came with it. And I was like, you know, it's neutral enough. We are building up this berry bite. Just bringing it up a little bit here because my eyes are hooded.
It's easy on my lungs as they decompress. So won't you just love me?
I'm just kind of using a little bit of a buffing motion on the corners of my eyes.
Like you used to love me. Love me. We didn't get a chance to breathe. Yeah, just killing time so we can figure out ourselves and everything we need.
Still using our Sigma E35, we're going into the shade Spice Plum. We are just going to take a little bit of this and apply it to the outer corners of our eyes.
I said it's just the wrong time, girl, your friend said it too. But every road led me straight back to you. Isn't it funny how things work out when it's meant to be?
I'm just dragging some of that to my crease.
Love is real. Yeah, I feel the temptations taking over my body. You know you're my one and only. Just couldn't wait for you to call me. Life without you could have stayed enough. So won't you just love me like
I'm taking my E35 and I'm just gonna all over blend.
you used to love me. Or won't you just touch me like you used to touch me? No more body, no more.
I'm just gonna take my finger and dip into raspberry sugar. I'm just going to apply this to my eyelid. Mainly up towards the front and then blending it out.
So won't you just love me like you used to love me. I look so weird.
It's gonna be so difficult to do it with my left hand. I don't know why I did this. Now we're still using our finger and we're gonna go into the shade Glazed. We are just going to apply this over top of this color.
I'm needing all the things that we had before, and I'll never forget my mistakes and my regrets.
Focusing again mainly towards the front and then blending it out. I'm gonna add a little bit more.
Every single day since I shut that door. So won't you just love me like you used to love me? Or won't you just touch me like you used to touch me? No more body, no more tongue, I'll get it off my chest. It's easy on my lungs as they become dust. So won't you just love me like you used to love me?
So I'm gonna take my cocoa highlighter in the shade True Mama and go in with my E46. I went ahead and I sprayed the tip. Now I'm just gonna apply this to the inner corners of my eyes as well as my brow bone.
Love me.
Ran into you at the drugstore, you were picking up your prescription. It's funny cause I got addicted to you when we were in love, and even though you broke it off, I struggle with it like you were a bottle of pills.
Hi Maggie. Ooh, Maggie girl, I've got an idea. How about you come here and you be in my "this is the final look" shot. Yes. I am taking my Tarte's Lights Camera lashes and just going to apply a little bit off camera. Okay guys, here's the final look.
I wish I could give in to my dependency, but I move on because I know what's bad for me. Cause seeing you means calling you, means all over roof again, falling for you, means sleepless nights, me in my mind, means craving the hit of you all the time. I can't even have a taste, I can't open up that game. I can't open up that game. I can't open up. Every time that I see you online, I wanna drop you a line, say hello, but I already know how it'll go. Small talk, but it's a big deal to me. I get in my feelings too fast, then I'm hurting when you don't write me back.
Now my eyes are all prettied up for me to film my next video. Why is that scary, Maggie? She was laying down, she jumped up, ran away like she was scared. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once I hit 111 subscribers, I will have a little giveaway. And you can betcha there will be at least one Kylie Cosmetics product. If you guys enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it if you liked it and left a comment. It helps YouTube to know that they should probably be showing my videos in recommended videos. Because I mean, who are we kidding? Like, the world needs to see more of me, and I'm not coming out of my house, so this is like the only way you'll ever get to see me. Life as an introvert. And life during quarantine. Anyways, I hope you guys are all doing well and staying inside, not getting sick. Love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. It has the names on the back. I don't know why I looked so scared there. I was like, oh my god, it's gonna get me. As I've stated in some of my other videos, once I get to 111 subscribers, I will have a little getaway. More. Hi, Prince. If that makes sense. It's not making any sense, you guys. I just realized something, you guys. Guys who have bald heads, what if they started using highlighters to highlight the spots on their head where the sun would naturally hit it? Like, we are taking our E35 and going into the shade Buttermilk. Guys, it was... Maggie, come here, come bring in my final shot. Come on. You know your fans would love to see you. They haven't seen you in forever, Maggie. Pretend you guys are her fans. Come here. I think she heard. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Prince. Prince. That's weird, he's not running. Come here, Maggie. Come here. No. Okay, fine. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a simple eyeshadow look using... Oh yeah, okay, so I was saying that that's how I've always on it. Oh my god, okay. All right, you guys. Oof, okay, wrong again. This isn't Berry Bite, this is Cookie Dough. I was reading this one as Cookie Dough and this one as Berry Bite. No, this one as Cookie Dough and this one as Berry Bite. And it's like, what? It makes more sense now. Maggie's running around. Can you hear her sliding on the floor? Clunk, clunk, clunk. Hang on, I need to think about this a little bit. But I don't feel like changing because I'm comfortable, and honestly, I'm gonna shower after this. Well, I'm gonna shower tonight. I don't know if I'll shower after this, but I'll shower tonight. Probably. I will definitely eat some vegan ice cream. I do know that that is for sure. Like with no hair. Sometimes it, not like with no hair. Well, duh, if you're bald, you don't have hair. But I'm not talking about the guys who shave their hair off. I'm talking about the guys who aren't growing hair up there anymore. I mean, like, you know what I mean? Sorry, I got like, I'm not sure if it's like, oh my god, it's on my teeth! You guys, how long has it been on my teeth? And you didn't even tell me. Wow. Wow, some friend you are, really. Whenever you guys do your eye makeup, do you feel like your forehead is so tired because you've just been like this? That's why when you guys see me in person, you're like,
I don't get it. I thought she was hot. How is she not hot?
That's actually how. I'm just teasing, guys. Although a lot of times when I'm in my videos, I do that because I think it'll look prettier, so. Actually, but it really hurts. I feel like this side has more on, but I think that might just be because of my light. Excuse me. Yeah, I feel like I got too much down at the base. I mean, it'll do. Yeah, it's like... You guys ever get where your lipstick like clumps up around your lips? Yeah, you're supposed to stick your finger in your mouth and do that. That's weird, I know, but I never usually do that. Now I don't have anything to wipe my finger off with. I'm just gonna wipe it off with my hand because I don't want to get up and do anything. Okay, just rub it on out. Yeah. Okay, yes. You guys, you see what happened to my Tarte tube? Like, I don't know why. Literally, like when I got it, it just came off, so. It's like a finger thingy. Oh my gosh, that's funny. Still using the E35. We're going into good. Excuse me. Camera on the monitor, it doesn't look like it's blended as well, but in real life, it does look a lot better. I mean, of course I could say anything and you guys would have to take my word for it because it's not like you're here in the room with me and like, Whitney, why are you lying? You know, you don't know. Just kidding. Would I lie to you guys?
No.
I don't know what's going on with me. I'm taking this way too far. I'm taking this way too far. It sounds like it's being used in a different context. I love highlighter, guys. I love it. You know that if you watched my... Oh, it was my... I don't know. You'd know that if you watched some of my other videos. Yeah, that's good. Okay, oh my goodness. Obviously it's been used. Now I've got cat fur all over. Oh my goodness. Is it my, oh, there's, okay. Is it my E35? Okay. Yes, all right.